আপনি রাস্তায় যে ইয়ামাহা মোটরসাইকেলটি প্রতিদিন দেখতে পান সেটি কি কখনো ভেবে দেখেছেন একটি সাধারণ ধাতব অংশ থেকে কিভাবে সেটি একটি শক্তিশালী চকচকে এবং অত্যাধুনিক মোটরসাইকেলে পরিণত হয়? একটি ইয়ামাহা মোটরসাইকেল তৈরি হওয়ার পেছনে রয়েছে শত শত ধাপ, অসংখ্য যন্ত্রাংশ এবং অত্যাধুনিক প্রযুক্তির সমন্বয়। কিন্তু সবচেয়ে অবাক করার বিষয় হল, কারখানায় একটি মোটরসাইকেলের যাত্রা শুরু হয় চাকা বা ইঞ্জিন দিয়ে নয়, শুরু হয় অসংখ্য কাঁচামাল এবং আলাদা আলাদা যন্ত্রাংশ থেকে। আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা প্রবেশ করব ইয়ামাহা মোটরসাইকেল তৈরির পুরো প্রক্রিয়ার ভেতরে। দেখব কিভাবে ধাতব কাঁচামালকে নির্দিষ্ট আকৃতি দেওয়া হয়, কিভাবে তৈরি হয় ইঞ্জিনের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ অংশ, কিভাবে একের পর এক যন্ত্রাংশ একত্রিত হয়ে তৈরি হয় একটি সম্পূর্ণ মোটরসাইকেল। তারপর দেখব এমন একটি পর্যায়ে যেখানে একটি সাধারণ ফ্রেম ধীরে ধীরে রূপ নিতে শুরু করে একটি আসল ইয়ামাহা বাইকের। আর ভিডিওর শেষ অংশে রয়েছে সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়, একটি মোটরসাইকেল তৈরি হয়ে যাওয়ার পর সেটি রাস্তায় নামার আগে কিভাবে পরীক্ষা করা হয়। তাই ভিডিওটি শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখুন, কারণ একটি ইয়ামাহা মোটরসাইকেলের চকচকে চেহারার পেছনে আসলে রয়েছে বিশাল এক ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং প্রক্রিয়া। চলুন শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখে নেওয়া যাক একটি ইয়ামাহা মোটরসাইকেল কিভাবে তৈরি হয়।
Ensure a protected and efficient work environment. Controlled access maintains production integrity and safety. Inside, the facility blends organization with advanced industrial design. Staff move efficiently toward their respective workstations. Inside, advanced machinery and skilled workers orchestrate production seamlessly. Engines receive meticulous cleaning for optimal performance. Suspension parts are prepared for assembly with precision cleaning. Electronic components are cleaned to prevent contamination during installation. Parts are sorted meticulously for streamlined workflow. Frames are identified for their specific model variations. Engine components are grouped for efficient assembly. Suspension systems are prepared for installation in their designated slots. Quality control ensures parts are clean, sorted, and ready for assembly. Parts flow seamlessly toward the core assembly stages. With cleaning and sorting complete, the Yamaha R15 production moves into core processing. Frames are welded with precision to create a strong, reliable foundation. Automated welding ensures consistent strength across all frames. Skilled welders refine intricate areas that robots cannot reach.
Grind finishing ensures frames are smooth and ready for painting.
Engine assembly begins with careful staging of components. Each piston is installed with precision to ensure smooth engine performance. Camshafts are timed accurately for optimal engine operation. Each engine undergoes preliminary testing to ensure performance standards. Suspension systems are prepared for integration into the frame. Subframes are installed to support rear suspension and engine components. Every welded frame and integrated engine is inspected for perfection.
With core processing complete, Yamaha R15s move to body integration and painting.
Frames are masked and prepped for their signature Yamaha paint finish. A vibrant color code is applied. Every bolt is checked to guarantee structural integrity. Body panels are fitted with precision to ensure perfect alignment and aesthetics. Controls are installed for ergonomic efficiency and rider comfort. Instrument clusters are integrated for clear and accurate information. Electrical systems are meticulously connected to ensure reliability. Brake and clutch systems are calibrated for peak performance. Suspension systems are integrated for precise handling and stability. Each wheel is aligned and secured to exact specifications. The R15 now takes shape as all core components come together for high-tech finishing. Next, advanced automation systems refine and perfect every unit. Robots inspect every frame to detect imperfections invisible to the human eye. Automated touch-ups guarantee a flawless finish on every R15. Fairings are aligned perfectly with the frame for aesthetic and aerodynamic precision. Automation verifies every electrical connection before final assembly. Automated systems ensure braking precision and safety. Suspension systems are tested for optimal handling and comfort.
Engine performance is validated under controlled conditions for reliability.
Branding is applied with flawless consistency. High-tech automation ensures that each R15 meets Yamaha's exacting standards. Brake and clutch systems are fine-tuned for perfect performance.
Electronic systems are tested to ensure flawless functionality. Engines are tested to ensure smooth startup and performance.
Each motorcycle undergoes meticulous visual inspection.
Lighting highlights any minor surface imperfections before delivery.
Accessories are added and verified for fit and function.
All fluids are filled to ensure readiness for use. Protective coverings preserve each unit during transport. Precision and finishing ensure each Yamaha R15 meets perfection before testing. Quality control and testing verify that each motorcycle meets Yamaha standards.
Engines are tested for performance, power, and smooth operation.
Exhaust systems are checked to comply with environmental regulations.
Noise and vibration levels are analyzed for rider comfort and safety.
Brake systems are validated for responsiveness and reliability.
Suspension performance is verified under simulated riding conditions.
Final visual inspection ensures every unit is flawless and ready for delivery. Each motorcycle receives official quality approval before packaging. With quality control complete, motorcycles are ready for packaging and dispatch. Protective packaging ensures safe transport to dealerships. Motorcycles are carefully stacked onto pallets for efficient logistics.
Warehouse storage maintains motorcycles in pristine condition until dispatch.
Motorcycles are loaded for delivery to dealerships worldwide.
Organization and efficiency ensure timely dispatch of each Yamaha R15. The journey from factory to showroom begins as motorcycles leave the facility. Yamaha R15s are now ready for riders worldwide, completing the production journey. Every Yamaha R15 sits ready, polished, and protected for shipment.
Organized storage ensures motorcycles remain pristine until delivery.
Pallets are moved efficiently to the loading area. Motorcycles are loaded with care, ready for transportation to dealerships. Every truck carries a fleet of motorcycles, prepared for riders worldwide.
The journey from factory to showroom begins.
Every unit is tracked for timely delivery to dealerships worldwide. From production line to rider, Yamaha ensures quality at every stage. Delivered motorcycles are ready to thrill enthusiasts worldwide. Every detail is inspected, polished, and perfected for the rider.
And this is how modern factories produce Yamaha R15 motorcycles.